Date is Wednesday, April 19th, and we're on a severe warning storm already just near Ottawa, Iowa, which is right on the Nebraska-Iowa border to the northeast of Omaha area. And watching this storm that the models, high-res models, have been picking up all day to have some tornado potential. And we're in a great spot overlooking the river valley here. And we're just going to watch, sit and wait for a bit, and watch it come at us. What it's doing here. Yeah. Looks like just cold outflow from the hail core.
Yeah.
It's gotta like reorganize something back in here.
Yeah. It's gotta,
you know what I mean?
Yep. Oh yeah, it's new updraft is all forming here. Like nice ZDR. It's all flat. Oh yeah, there's hail. What do we got? Oh, look at the hail out front. Those are those are big.
Oh, those are nice.
Those are nice. Those are nice size. Holy shit.
Wow. Yeah, I'll do one. I'll do a Facebook Live quick. I don't even go live anymore. I don't even know how to do it.
I think it's like start a post and then...
Oh,
yeah.
Live video.
Yep.
All right, I'm going live. That cascading motion there in the left. Come on. Tighten up, would ya?
Line one or two ahead of it.
Danger noodle sighted.
I don't know if it's all the way to the ground. It's a funnel. Oh, that's showing up. Oh, it is showing up. Sweet. Come on, go all the way.
Don't go away. Come on down. Here we go. Come on, keep trying, keep trying. Come on down. You got it.
Hold this camera steady enough. Still trying.
There, I saw it.
It's on the ground?
Yep, I saw debris.
Oh, I can see that all the way
See
down,
it?
condensating. Yep. Woohoo! 3 for 3 on the 2023 season. I hope I'm getting this. I can't really see if I'm holding steady. Oh yeah, we're getting there.
Yep, debris. See it?
Yep.
Still cranking in there. And it's gone. That was pretty sweet.
Good job, Brad.
Maybe it'll do it.
Still really turning.
Yeah, I hope it does another one right here.